So in my last video, I talked about the Oppo Find X9 Pro, which is the company's upcoming premium flagship phone, and we got to know the key specifications of this device, which revealed some big upgrades from last year, especially in the camera and the battery department. Well, like last year, we are also getting the vanilla model, which is the Oppo Find X9 this year. Now we have the leaked specifications of the Find X9 as well, and the vanilla model is also getting big upgrades like the Pro model. Design-wise, we expect the Find X9 series to have a design like these leaked renders, but nothing is confirmed yet about the design. As per the leaks, the Oppo Find X9 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, which is the same chipset that powers the Find X9 Pro. In terms of the battery, we are getting a massive 7025 mAh battery in this phone. It is not as big as the 7550 mAh battery inside the Find X9 Pro, but this is still considerably larger than the 5630 mAh battery in the last year's Find X8. There is 80 watt wired charging support and 50 watt wireless charging support. The display size is the same as last year, that is 6.59 inch, and it is a flat 1.5K LTPO OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Now while the Find X8 had an optical under-display fingerprint scanner, the Find X9 gets an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner. The cameras are also getting big upgrades this time. The Oppo Find X9 has 3 cameras on the back. The primary camera has a 1/1.43-inch Sony Light 808 sensor with OIS support. For comparison, the Find X8 had a 1/1.56-inch Sony Light 700 sensor. The Light 808 not only has a larger size but also a larger pixel size than the Light 700 sensor. The ultrawide camera is using the same 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 sensor as last year. Finally, we have a periscope telephoto camera with a 50 megapixel Samsung JN9 sensor. This periscope telephoto camera offers a 3x optical zoom and has OIS support. This is also a big upgrade from last year, where the Find X8 had a 1/1.95-inch Sony IMX882 sensor for the telephoto camera. The Find X9 also has the Hasselblad color tuning and Oppo's Lumo imaging. For selfies, there is a 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor. For comparison, the Find X8 had a 32 megapixel sensor for selfies. The Oppo Find X9 is IP68 and IP69 certified, and this time there is no alert slider. Instead, the phone has a plus key on the side, which is a replacement for the alert slider, and it is a similar thing as iPhone's action button. There are also reports that the phone has a new haptic motor for an even better haptic feedback. Finally, the phone runs on ColorOS 16 out of the box, which is based on Android 16. And well, that is all about the Oppo Find X9. The Oppo Find X8 was launched in the global market last year, so let us see at what price the Oppo Find X9 is launched outside China. What do you think of the specifications? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.